Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. 2 upcoming conferences will showcase the real estate investment opportunities in Jamaica. This month, the 5th staging of the ThropX Investment Conference returns to Negril with focus on real estate, resilience, and West Jamaica's growth potential. The week-long conference, scheduled for May 24 to 30 at Travelers Beach Resort, will bring together local and international investors, members of the diaspora, developers, and policymakers for a practical, on-the-ground look at what it takes to invest, build, and operate in Jamaica today. Then in June, Black Ink Marketing launches its Investment and Housing Conference 2026. The inaugural conference will take place in South Florida on Friday, June 5th, 2026 at Doubletree by Hilton Sawgrass under the theme, Invest Your Piece of the Rock, and is designed to connect diaspora capital to Jamaican opportunity. The core team behind this conference is Gabrielle Gilping-Hudson, attorney at law, partner at Grant, Henry & Rooms, and president, Realtors Association of Jamaica, and Dr. Leighton A. Ellis, president-elect, Jamaica Institute of Engineers. The proposed National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority, dubbed NARA, designed as a powerful super ministry to fast-track rebuilding after Hurricane Melissa, is already steering unease, even as it promises speed and efficiency across 7 devastated parishes. Garnet Reed, president of the Small Business Association of Jamaica, has thrown his support behind urgent reconstruction, but warns that without clear rules, small businesses risk being sidelined in the very recovery they are expected to sustain. Reed is pressing for immediate clarity, defined procurement pathways, accessible financing, and deliberate inclusion of SMEs from day one. Reed states that stakes are high. Small businesses form the backbone of employment and community stability, and excluding them could turn a rapid rebuild into an uneven recovery, strong in infrastructure but weak in livelihoods. For the trading period of May 5th, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Jamaican Teas Limited with 1,561,285 units, representing 9.28% of market sales activities. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 1,494,596 units, representing 8.88% of market sales activities. Supreme Ventures Limited with 1,452,156 units, representing 8.63% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in gaming and entertainment, transportation and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for May 5th, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $156.58 and buying for $158.41. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $6.22 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $117.86 and was bought for $111.64. The British pound had continued volatility, offered short-term trading opportunities of 77 cents in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $214.30 and was bought for $213.53. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, your credit report can teach your university-bound child about building a life ready for financial growth. Credit feels abstract until you attach it to real experiences. Sitting down with your child and walking through your own credit report builds clarity fast. Show them the different types of accounts and why you use them. How consistent payments strengthen credibility over time. Where high balances or missed payments created setbacks for you. And how long it actually takes to rebuild trust with lenders. This isn't about presenting a flawless record. It's about showing your child how financial behavior compounds, whether positively or negatively. In our Funded and Focused feature, as we continue to look at funding options for entrepreneurs, emerging pathways like micro stock markets or junior exchanges introduce a different dimension entirely: equity instead of debt. Here, the business trades ownership for capital. Then there is the most underestimated source of capital: family and friends. It often comes with flexible terms, low or no interest, and emotional investment in the entrepreneur's success. But it also carries relational risk. Without clear agreements, blurred lines between business and personal life can create tension that outlasts the financial transaction. Finally, the purest form of funding is revenue sales of products and services. It is slower, requires patience, and demands a sharp focus on value creation. Yet it is the only funding source that strengthens ownership, builds resilience, and validates the business model in real time. Every dollar earned is a signal that the market agrees with your idea. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.